Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create background solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK. And go to Effects presets, search Effect Gradient Ramp. Select Gradient Ramp, let's use for background solid layer. And start color, let's choose purple. And end color, let's again choose purple with eyedropper and change color to light like this. And let's change ramp shape and click swap colors and select this point, move to down, and this point move to down like this. And for remove this scatter, change ramp scatter 100. Also let's use noise and select this noise, use for background layer and change amount 10. Let's zoom in here, let's see difference. Okay, we can change this 5. So in this time, let's select this background and Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid and delete noise and gradient ramp. Go to Effects presets, search Effect Grid. Select grid, use for grid layer and change size from width slider and change slider and opacity. So right now select this grid and let's go to Effects presets, search Effect CC lens, select CC lens, use for grid and change size. And in this time select this grid, right mouse and pre-compose. Move all attributes to into new composition, click OK. And back to main composition and go to mask. Let's hold this icon, choose ellipse tool and let's create mask like this. And click inverted check. Open mask 1, change feather for smooth grid. Okay. So in this time, let's select both layers and click for lock. And back to project. Select this coin and magnifier and stack of money. Drag and drop into composition. And press S, change scale. Let's see. Okay. And select coin. Let's move to left and magnify, move to left. So if you want to how to create these 3D flat animations, I will add a link on the description below. You can watch how to create coin animation, how to create stack of money animation or magnifier animation. So in this time, hide these videos, go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose rounded rectangle tool and create one rectangle like this. Clickation tool, open rectangle 1, rectangle path 1 and change roughness for smooth rectangle. And right now let's change the name coin. And press T, change opacity 65. Let's move to left and enable title action save. And let's move to here. And select this coin. Let's go to align. If you not see this part, let's go to window and enable align here. And click this icon for move to center like this. And select coin, Ctrl D for duplicate. Change name money stack and let's move to right. Okay, and select this stack money, Ctrl D, change name magnifier. Again, let's move to right. Let's enable coin and move to up and put here. Press S, change scale a little bit and link to coin shape layer. Let's see. Okay, we can change scale a little bit, press S, change this 50. And select this money, let's enable and move to up to shape money layer. And press S, change scale a little bit and move to center. And link to money stack. Let's see. Okay, change quality quarter. And finally select magnifier, let's enable and move to up and link to shape layer magnifier. and put here. Press S, change scale a little bit. Okay, so in this time let's create shadows. Let's create new solid layer, add name shadow coin, and click OK. Go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose ellipse tool, and let's create one shadow like this. Clickation tool and move to behind of coin shape layer. Hold Control, double click pen behind icon for move the anchor point center. Clickation tool and move to down. For realistic shadow, let's press M for open mask and close again open for see other features. And let's zoom in here. Change mask feather like this and press T, open opacity, change opacity like this. And select the shadow. Let's go to mode. If you not see this part, click toggle switch mode and click mode. Let's choose here overlay. And let's change this 35. Okay, nice. And select this shadow coin, Control D and move up for money stack. And move to right. And Control D, moved up for magnifier. And link to magnifier and move to right. Also select shadow stack money, link to money stack. So let's change colors. Shadow coin, coin and coin video file. Go to color cube, click here and choose green. And select shadow stack money, money stack and stack of money video file. Click color and choose yellow. And let's shadow magnifiers. Go to color cube, choose blue. Let's create new null object for control elements. And for move to anchor point center, hold Control, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and select this magnifier shape layer, money stack shape layer and coin shape layer. Link to null object. Select null. Let's see. Okay, and let's also select shadow coin, link to coin shape layer. Let's select controller. Okay. And in this time, let's press P and go to first second, create new path in keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and move to center like this. Let's enable tight action save. And we can move to right. And select shape layers, make it easy or click F9. Go to graph editor and make it smooth. Let's see. Go to project and select this cursor. Let's drag and drop into computation. And press S, change scale, and let's move to anchor point here. Clickation tool and move to down. Let's move to right this layer. In this time, let's press P and create new path in keyframe. Go to here and move to like this for click animation and select keyframes, make it easy. Let's select work area. Go to graph editor, select this graph, let's make smooth animation. And let's go to middle here and move to left. And let's see. For smooth animation, go to middle keyframe and hold this pen tool, choose convert vertex tool, and let's hold left mouse, make smooth graph. Clickation tool, hold shift, press R, and let's go to here, create rotation keyframe and go to middle, chain rotation like this, and next keyframe, chain like this, and select last position keyframe, move to down, select rotation keyframes, make it easy. Okay, so in this time, go to 5 keyframes and create new path in keyframe and new rotation keyframe, and go to 10 keyframes, change rotation, and let's move to right this mouse and move to right this cursor. Go to 3 keyframes and change rotation and move to left. Let's see. Okay, and go to 3 keyframes, 1 to 3, change rotation. Again, go to 3 keyframes, move to left for bounce animation. And let's see. Okay, and go to next keyframe, move to right, again next keyframe, move to left. And let's select work area. Okay, I like it. And select last keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. And in this time, go to 5 keyframes and move to down. Also change rotation. Select rotation keyframe, move to left. And change rotation like this. Nice. Very good. So let's see full animation. Okay, we can choose this click keyframes. Let's zoom in here and move to left for replace this keyframe. And let's see. Nice. And let's move to left keyframes for speed animation. Nice. And in this time, let's close cursor keyframes and let's see timing. Move to left for dynamic animation. Nice. And in this time, cursor click animation, let's select this money stack. This is shape layer. Let's see. Okay, press S, click scale keyframe for create new keyframe and go to 10 keyframes. Change scale 95. Again, 10 keyframe, change 103. Again, 10 keyframe, change 100. Select keyframes, make it easy. Let's see. Nice. This is click bounce animation. Select keyframes, hold Alt, move to left. Let's create new money stack keyframe for scale and go to here and change scale like this. Go to back and hold shape, press P. Let's create new position keyframe and go to next keyframe and move to down. Let's see. Let's move to a little bit and change scale like this. And select position keyframes, make it easy. Go to graph editor. Let's see. Okay, select this scale keyframe and make it smooth. And this smooth. Also, these position keyframes make smooth. Back to keyframe, select last keyframes. Move to right. Select work area. Nice. Go to graph editor. Select this last scale keyframe and move to left for smooth animation. Back to keyframes, and in this time, let's go to FS Preset, search Effect Gaussian Blur, select Gaussian Blur, use for magnifier animation. And in this time, let's create blurriness keyframe and go to here, change blurriness like this. Let's see. Press C for C keyframes and make it easy. Let's see animation. Nice. We can change blurriness 50 and select Gaussian blur, use for coin video layer and create blurriness keyframe and go to here, change 50. Make it keyframes easy and select last keyframe, blurriness 100. Also select this blurriness for magnifier, change 100. Nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.